Congratulations! You have the opportunity to discover the inner workings of a remarkable company and interact with key people in the organization. They are likely intrapreneurs tasked with realizing an ambitious innovation or change project for their company. You have just one 60-minute meeting to achieve multiple objectives and stand out among other candidates. The context is one of caution, and shared information will always be incomplete. A critical outcome is at stake in this meeting. Understand the challenges faced by the project team. Grasp the role as envisioned by the decision-maker. Assist the decision-maker in envisioning you in their project. Understand how the project can enhance your CV. Demonstrate proactivity, analytical skills, and ability to ask the right questions. Show how your experience and skills are relevant to the role. Manage questioning phase clearly and demonstratively, linking to client needs. Demonstrate ability to synthesize key information about a problem and its solution. Demonstrate analytical sense, proactivity, curiosity, and ability to project yourself into the project owner's position. Note-taking is essential, facilitating analysis and confirming a professional image. Aim for about 10 minutes for this stage. If the client speaks longer, politely transition to your presentation. Present in project mode, including context, using first-person narrative, and listing tasks and results. Emphasize action verbs related to coordination, evaluation, and resolution tasks. Mention problems you encountered and how you dealt with them, highlighting adaptability. Summarize clients' key needs, link to your motivations, and address potential weaknesses. Provide demonstration-type answers rather than solutions. Detail your logical thinking process, possibly raising missing information. Be convivial, expressive, and dynamic. Take an investigative approach as a specialist. Remain structured and answer questions directly. Initiative, problem-solving, out-of-the-box thinking. Discipline, efficiency, continuous improvement. Empathy, positive attitude, adaptive communication. Adopt suitable attire as a representative of your future self. Avoid discussing long-term career prospects or contract details. Position yourself as a future consultant in a win-win relationship.